In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Sofascore. So if your Sofascore app is not opening or it is not responding, then it is pretty much simple to go ahead and fix the error associated with this. Now to fix crashing or stopping Sofascore app, first you need to access the info page, and from here we shall be able to troubleshoot it. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the info page of this app. To access it, go to settings, and then from here go to apps, and here is apps. Now from this, look for the option called manage apps, and then you need to go ahead and look for your app. So you can scroll down through the app list because this will open or expose all the apps you have on your smartphone. Alternatively, you can just search for your app here, and I'll search mine, and here it is. And now from this, we need to clear this app data. That is our first step to troubleshoot this app. So if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see there is quite a number of cache data on this app. So to clear this cache data, go ahead and tap on clear data here. And then we have two options, clear all data and clear cache. Go ahead and tap on clear cache. Now if we tap on OK, this will go ahead and clear all the cache data on our smartphone. Now once this is done, now go ahead and restart your smartphone. And then at this point, it should be able to function normally. Now, in case this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and tap on clear data. Now, instead of choosing clear cache, go ahead and tap on clear all data. Then this will go ahead and clear all the data, and you'll have to log in afresh for you to be able to use this app. So once the data is cleared, go ahead and try and log in and see if that solves your problem. However, if this did not solve your problem, then proceed to Play Store and find this app. So for my case, I'll go ahead and open Play Store and then tap on search, and then under search, go ahead and search for the app, and here's our app. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you need to look for any update if it is available. If it is available, you will see it here. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated app, and what you need to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. Once you have updated, it will go ahead and download and then install the latest version of Sofascore app on your smartphone. Then from here, proceed by tapping on it to open. Now from here, you should have solved any problem that is associated with your app. So if this was helpful to you, I'll kindly request you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.